this week, what news we do have and what are those um, actually news of the upcoming events we do have. So, first of all, I will teach you more how you can filter it. Okay, so let me choose here all. Okay, and let's okay. So in Monday, so this time actually, let me just hold on. What time is it? So this is Dhaka time. So I'll make it to New York time. Okay. So New York is -4 GMT, right? -5. Yeah. Where is it? Ah, okay. So in Monday we do have JPY news. So there is no actually most important factor at that time. But Tuesday we do have GBP, very high impact or the most what it say, maybe this week, no, the next week. Yeah, this is the week. So Monday we do how you need to filter the you need to see the economic calendar, okay, or the events. First of all, we'll divide it in three way. Okay, important, most important, and crucial. Okay, so here the yellow events doesn't mean that this is not important. This is important because if you are trading in binary options, this minor type of news also sometimes affect the candle, right? Affect the market. So your technical analysis or your prediction might sometimes go wrong because if you neglect the yellow impact or the important, right? I call it important. Okay, so CNI has news. Okay, Euro has news. CAD, GBP. So CAD have the CPI Monday. So FOMC member William Jefferson speaks. So these are not important, but at that time market just what it say, just a range at that time, most of the time. And Tuesday we do have what it say, most important is a wage price index, WPI, and then the CPI. Wow, and we do have FOMC meeting minutes. This is most important, this is most important. So maybe this is the last of this year. Okay, so after this is the maybe final FOMC meetings of this year, and the non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. So this week is going to be very very much volatile for USD pairs. And so it will gonna start if you saw the market like this, that first of all we do have very in from Monday or from maybe tomorrow we do have very volatile in cat. So that means tomorrow the cat pair will be lots of volatility. So the USD, the US dollar will have less volatility. Okay, and on Tuesday we do have less volatility on CAD. Okay, because already the news has ended previous day, and the next day it will gonna have less volatility, and for USD also gonna be have less volatility, and for Aussie dollar it will have volatility. So Monday means so simple that we do have volatility only in cat, but no volatility on any pairs, any other pairs. On Tuesday, we do have volatility only in Aussie pair or odd, but we don't have any kind of volatility in CAD or USD. But on Wednesday, we do have volatility on GBP uh, and the USD. So this is not a good day to trade on GBP pairs and USD pairs because it's gonna be have some lots of spikes and ups and down. No, actually, analysis don't work at that time because of that event, because so many people are interested in the market, they don't know what they are doing. So yeah, that's also the thing. So Wednesday FOMC meeting minutes. So no need to take trades on USD, and I'll prefer from the Wednesday till Friday. Do not trade in USD pairs, Euro USD or USD JPY or any kind of pair, because that's gonna be like 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 uh, mm, like dangerous for your capital, dangerous for your trading psychology. So don't trade from Wednesday to Friday on USD pairs or GBP pairs. uh, you can trade on Thursday on the GBP pairs because it do have less vol and no news on that day. Yeah, so this is our plan. So our plan, I will say, hold on a minute. Okay, so our plan is on Monday. Okay, so Monday plan. So trade all pairs, expect get right. On Tuesday, trade all pairs, expect odd. All pairs, expect odd. After what is say, uh, from morning at the New York time, you can trade, right? So this is the time zone for New York time, right? So let me tell you, New York time, it should be right. So this is the thing. And yeah, Tuesday and then Wednesday, right? Wednesday you can trade all pairs, expect GBP, and most importantly USD. If you trade on the USD pairs on Wednesday, it will gonna have like bad impact for your trading, because that they have FOMC meeting minutes. That means US interest rate gonna be released. So this is kind of event that every trader should aware of. If you are trading in this market, you should aware of FOMC meeting minutes, because this is very crucial news for the market. Thursday we don't trade on what it say USD pairs. So basically trade all pairs, expect USD, because here we do have lots of news, right? And on Friday, trade all pairs, expect GBP and USD. Yep. So these are the things you need to follow for this week. The week of this is started from November 17 to 21, right? So, yep. So this is the thing you need to. You can trade on OTC pairs, that will gonna be good, but if you trade on event, that's gonna be something like very volatile. So, okay, okay, let's trades. Okay, $50, right? So why did I place a trade at this here? Because if you saw the market, the next reversal point for the market is in here. Okay, is at here, right? So today is Sunday. No need to take much more trades because it's gonna be like devastating. So I just came and just do one trade or two trades, basically one trade and then just enough. No need to show off because you are here for making profit, not just to show off of how much you know. Yeah, you do have knowledge, not like that. Okay, that's very good. Okay, so the next reversal point for this is at here, right? So at here, so price has just reached at it, right? Euro JPY OTC. So this is I call it imbalance, right? I told it about previous video that about the paints, right? So you need to aware of these paints, right? So at this here, this is the border line, or I say it like the maximum line. So the starting point of, so this is the whole imbalance, right? Right. So market make a high and then make a low, right? If you saw this kind of market, so there is no way going. It's not going higher, it's not going lower. It's just ranging. If we say that, look at this, just price make lower low and then make high and then make lower low. So where is the market is going, they we don't know. So this is kind of market is very risky to trade, you know. So price make already high, so here it made a high and here it also made a high, so the next candle would have chance to go higher, not lower. And this is our the price. So the price would have here. So this is my last trade. I am not going to trade anymore. So if this loss is loss, if it's win, it's win. No need to take more trades. The entry point is little bit uh, bad. Very good. So why I took this trade? Because if you saw this market, okay, it made high, right? And as I told you earlier that yeah, this is the imbalance. And if we look like deeper, like eagle's eye, we could see that this market, let me the what where it go, yeah, so here it started. I Okay, hold on a bit. Okay, yeah, so this is if you saw in here that this is the market, uh, which actually has unfinished business. So not started from here because it already do has some had done some business in here, right? So this is the point. Look, that's why I took this trade and it made high and it failed, right? So that means they are not interested to buy in at this point. But again, the trend is because what I say, not not actually trend. The what it happens that it has some unfinished business first of all, right? And it made a high, right? So it should go higher with this kind of imbalance, right? So it did, went up higher, it went low, right? But it didn't able to break this level. It has some unfinished business, and this is kind of imbalance when the starting point is our this area, right? When the market at this level and we got confirmations of this high, we took a buy trade at this here, okay? But most of traders unfortunately think that, yeah, this is kind of sellers, right? So sellers are actually at here. If the sellers actually is here, right? They shifted their entries to here, right? So two-step compounding, and it's done $50 to $96. So I told you two-step, and I'm going to share this with you in Yo. And thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.